What if I told you you don't need to film new content every single day to actually dominate the social media landscape today? Imagine taking one long video and having it automatically sliced into dozens of scroll-stopping clips instantly. These clips can then be polished, captioned, and even scheduled to post automatically, all without you ever wrestling with a tedious editing timeline for hours on end. Sounds almost wild and too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, that feeling of disbelief is exactly why I need to introduce you to the platform Vizard right now. Stick with me for a few minutes, because I'm going to show you two incredibly easy workflows to transform even your oldest footage or new AI images into consistent viral-ready content. We will also cover how to automate the entire posting process, so you can finally grow your audience without completely burning yourself out in the process. So yeah, be prepared, because this is going to be one of those slightly deeper dives, as there are a couple of distinct methods to achieve the absolute best results for your strategy. First, I'll walk you through the core Vizard functionality, how to instantly turn any single long video file into dozens of ready-to-post short clips. Next, I'll share two distinct workflows for sourcing your visuals, covering one that utilizes real footage you already possess and another that leverages brand new AI-created assets. I will also call out other popular tools people often use, such as various video generators or image creators, and specifically explain why Vizard is the crucial piece that actually makes your entire content strategy truly scalable. Alright, let's start with the feature that genuinely saves creators the most time: Vizard's powerful auto-editing viral clips functionality. The underlying concept here is surprisingly simple yet incredibly powerful for your output. You simply upload one long raw video, maybe it's a recent live stream, a full podcast episode, or a detailed tutorial. Anything works. Vizard's proprietary AI then immediately analyzes that entire recording, automatically finding all the high engagement moments and cutting them into short clips, optimized for every major short-form platform. The AI specifically looks for emotional spikes, perfectly timed punchlines, key topic changes, and even natural visual cues within the footage. So instead of you having to guess which 30-second segment will actually catch fire with viewers, the tool hands you a ready-made set of clips that are basically pre-vetted for guaranteed virality. The entire workflow to generate these clips is unbelievably simple from start to finish. First, upload your complete footage, then choose the exact platform formats you need, like 9:16 for Reels or 1:1 for standard posts. Next, you set the overall vibe you are going for. Maybe you want highly energetic clips, deep educational highlights, or perhaps just the funniest snippets available. After that, you simply hit the auto-generate button and wait just a few minutes for the system to deliver multiple clip proposals to your dashboard. You can then preview every single one, make small tweaks to the start or end points, seamlessly add custom captions, choose background music, or even select a different thumbnail image. And here is the absolute best part: the suggestions are not random guesses from the tool. The AI actively learns from your content performance and from what specific formats succeed across different platforms, meaning the suggestions actually get better and more accurate every single time you use it. Now, I know some of you advanced users might be thinking, but I already use tools like Gemini or other fancy video generators to create those perfect talking avatars and short AI videos. Those other tools are incredibly cool for creating standalone promotional pieces, such as turning a simple static image into a realistic speaking video, but they simply are not designed to manage and scale your entire content calendar effectively. Generative video tools might give you amazing 8 to 30-second one-offs, sometimes with surprisingly realistic synthesized audio, but they are often limited in the length they allow. Furthermore, those costs can quickly stack up if you need to churn out a massive volume of clips every week for consistent posting. Tools that create gorgeous images like MidJourney or the newer avatar creators can certainly give you eye-catching thumbnail assets, but they definitely won't automatically slice your 45-minute live stream into 40 platform-ready clips and schedule them across all your channels. That critical gap, the piece that connects asset creation to predictable distribution, is precisely where Vizard steps in to bridge the entire gap. So let's examine the first workflow, which simply starts with the long-form video content that you already have sitting in your archives. This approach is the ultimate low-hassle, high-output strategy for creators who prioritize speed. Step 1 is just uploading that raw file directly to Vizard. This could be a past recording, a long tutorial, or any meeting notes converted to video. For step 2, you select Auto-Edit Viral Clips, choosing your target platforms and the specific vibe you want the AI to prioritize for that batch. If you're aiming for punchy TikTok moments, you would dial up the energy sensitivity setting within the tool. Conversely, if you need educational micro-teaches for a platform like LinkedIn, you select the dedicated clarity or insight mode for precision. Step 3 involves reviewing all the auto-generated clips, where Vizard typically gives you several strong variations for every promising segment. You simply keep the absolute winners, make quick tweaks to the others, and then add those crucial one-click subtitles that mobile viewers demand. You can also quickly slap on a custom animated intro graphic if you feel the clip needs a branded starting punch before finalizing the thumbnail selection. Finally, for step 4, you utilize Vizard's content calendar feature to line up all these finished posts perfectly. You drag and drop your finalized clips into your calendar, set your preferred posting frequency, and then let the auto-scheduling system handle the rest of the deployment. Honestly, just this single feature completely changes the game for creators who find themselves seriously time-constrained every single week. One single hour of recorded content can effortlessly become 2 full weeks of consistent daily posts without you ever needing to open professional editing software. Now let's look at the second workflow, which is perfect if you are aiming for a more highly stylized look or need to maintain ultra-consistent brand-aligned avatars in your work. Perhaps you also utilize AI image platforms like MidJourney for stylized portraits or dedicated avatar builders to create a unique visual dataset of your own face. Those tools are absolutely fantastic for generating high-quality, on-brand imagery, but they are inherently only partial solutions on their own. Here is how you successfully combine those powerful creative generators with Vizard to capture the maximum benefit from both worlds. In step A, use your preferred image or character generator to produce a defined set of high-quality, reusable visual assets. For example, MidJourney's omni-reference feature or dedicated avatar builders can give you those perfect cinematic portraits or studio shots you need. Pro tip, always export those visuals at the highest resolution possible, and if something looks a bit too smooth, run it through an image upscaler for added texture and realism. For step B, if you like using tools like Gemini or similar to make the images talk, import those short clips, but consciously keep them quite brief. These AI talking clips are absolutely perfect for deploying as strong hero moments or quick attention-grabbing openers for your posts. In step C, import both those short AI clips or your existing real footage directly into Vizard and use the auto-edit features to stitch them into a cohesive content series. For instance, a 30-second AI avatar clip can be paired with a longer, real-life piece to form a mini-story arc that naturally performs better than either asset alone. The final step, D, is pushing the entire batch through Vizard's seamless auto-schedule system to set it and forget it. Set your cadence once, perhaps 3 posts every week, and watch the AI reliably distribute the content for you across all necessary channels. Of course, you always retain the manual ability to jump in and adjust posts if you spot a major emerging trend that needs immediate attention. What I genuinely love about this hybrid approach is you get those punchy, high click-through thumbnails from the image generators, backed by the massive distribution and scaling power of Vizard itself. It truly starts to feel like having a small, dedicated social media team that never needs to take a break or sleep. But let me also be transparent about the inherent limitations you will encounter with other tools, because you will see hype everywhere, promising to do everything. Video image tools are fantastic for novelty, but they often only yield short clips, sometimes have glitchy audio sync, and can become prohibitively expensive if you create a high volume of outputs monthly. Similarly, MidJourney style images are gorgeous to look at, but they usually demand careful, time-consuming prompting and often require extra upscaling work on your end. Avatar platforms that train on your personal photos offer great consistency, but they completely fail to offer any system for batch editing or scheduling your resulting posts. Vizard is not meant to replace those specialized creative tools. Instead, it plugs directly into them by taking whatever assets you generate and turning them into a predictable content pipeline that actually posts. Another massive advantage is the combination of the content calendar and the auto-schedule features. This is the real secret sauce for consistency without the manual grind. You set your ideal posting cadence once, say every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and Vizard ensures your various channels are constantly being fed fresh material. It automatically handles the complex cross-platform formatting, captions generation, and time zone posting, meaning you don't need a dozen different management apps. When you combine that automated scheduling with the platform's built-in insights on what clips are gaining traction, you can iterate and improve your content strategy much faster than ever before. Okay, so let's cover a few essential practical tips so you don't accidentally waste any processing credits or precious time during your first session. Always remember to preview those auto-generated clips because while the AI is brilliant, it sometimes cuts off the most important part of a sentence, so tweak those start and end markers. You absolutely must utilize the automated subtitles because the vast majority of people today watch their social feeds with the sound completely muted. Maintain a very consistent voice and tone across all your content, especially if you mix AI avatars with your real footage, so your audience doesn't get jarring tonal whiplash. Embrace the power of batching by uploading a full week or even a whole month of raw content at once, running one massive editing session and seeing how much you accomplish. To wrap this up, if your main goal is to become the consistent face of your channel or successfully blow up across multiple platforms with minimal personal effort, you fundamentally need 2 things in place. First, you need your core creative assets, whether that's high-quality real footage or compelling AI-generated visuals. And second, you need the distribution engine that turns those assets into scheduled, optimized posts automatically. Vizard is unequivocally that powerful engine designed to bridge that entire gap for you. It simply does not compete with your creative image or video tools. Rather, it complements them by saving you the immense time and mental load of being your own editor and social media manager combined. If you found this breakdown helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you would test the system right now on just one single long video file. You will immediately see exactly how many usable clips you can get and how astonishingly fast your content calendar starts filling itself up. And hey, if you're interested, I can certainly put together a follow-up video showing a full demonstration of mapping an entire month's content from one livestream in under an hour. Now that, my friends, is what true content freedom really looks like in this busy digital age. So please go out there and make amazing content, not just endless stress. I will see all of you in the very next video.